Hello everyone, I am Nagendra Gupta and welcome you back to my YouTube channel Proto Adda.
चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें। चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें।
The very first question asks you that find odd one. Options are public clouds, private clouds, hybrid clouds and digital clouds. So as you know that the answer is D, that is digital clouds, because all rest are the part of a clouds. Let's come on question number 2. In question number 2 it's visible that a device that connects these similar networks. Obviously it is gateway. Rest all also perform the same task but they doesn't work with these similar networks. Let's go on question number 3. Question number 3 says that can be classified by frequency and wavelength. Obviously, yeah, that answer is wavelength. Okay, very soon let we will be watching question number 4. Question number 4 is what? A text file can't be open in the file mode. File modes are many. Among of them, you can watch out at R, W, R plus. They all are the modes of file. So here C will be your correct answer. Rest all modes are being supported in text file. Let's go on question number 5. A binary file can't be open. Here you can see RB, AB, AB plus and AB minus options are there, where lots of them are already supported over there, but here the last option is not being supported. Rest all options are being supported in binary file. Okay, let's come on question number 6. Question number 6 is what? Which among of them is not a part of reading function? See here, read line and read lines, they all are the part of it, but reads function is not being there. Okay, question number 7. By default Python name the segment with top level. Here it is answer number C. You can see has here main function always followed with underscore. Okay, question number 8. A void function internally returns legal empty, that is none. Okay. Okay, the next question is what? Question number 9. LEGB full form. Here it's all being taught to you that what are the full forms and what is the function of LEGB. Here local, enclosing, global and built-in. Here will be your correct answer. Question number 10. Which one is not a part of function type? Here see, you can see built-in function, user defined functions, functions defined in modules and function defined globally. Here A, B, C, you can watch out that this all are the part, but question number D is not a part of a function, so here D will be your correct answer. These all question plays very important role. Why? Because these all questions are being picked from the taught portion of a syllabus and not from directly it is being picked from the exercise, but the questions are being picked from the center of the part. So this question plays an immense role for your preparation of a board. Fine. Here this 10 questions, I hope so that it is clear to you all. If any part you can watch and you can watch out that this part is being confusing, do comment me so I can go on deep on that of this. Okay, we will be coming very soon in question number 11, and question number 11 is what? That which one have an incorrect syntax? You can see that area A is there, one parameter A is returning AB. You can see in L that in answer number C that L and B has been asked and we are returning A into A. So here answer number C is incorrect. Fine. Now question number 12. For a text mode W plus and binary mode WB plus mode, which of the statement is wrong? Fine. These all are the modes which we are talking about. Answer option number A is what? It creates file if doesn't exist. B, if file exists, file is truncated. C is only writing operation can take place. So answer number C will be correct one here, because it is in this mode all these measurements of that statements A, B is correct but C is not. In question number 13 you can see a line is given and here we have to find above code will do what? Fine. Reads a file entire content. Why? You can see here the file is open in R mode. So here R mode is work for what? Read a file in entire content. Okay. Let's go on question number 4. Here which of the following statement considered incorrect combination? Fine. stdin reads for the keyboard and here here you can see C same as stdin, that is the wrong. Rest all options A, B are correct. Let's come on question number 15. Which statement is incorrect to define syntax for a function? Fine. Okay. You can see here options are given in bracket, must be private programmer. Second one is inside square bracket, it cannot be omitted. That one will be B. We can omit it. Fine. Okay. Let's go on question number 16. Which statement is not a part of types of format, argument and parameters? Then here default argument, fine. Positional global argument, fine. Here as global argument is not a part. Why? Because you all know that in formal argument we have only 3 important points. Question number 17. Question number 17 says that by default arguments for correct one is what? In default argument PPR. Here answer number B is correct. Why? You can see because we assign the value from very right side. So here T is 2, then it is correct. Otherwise we can't be go for directly to the right side. We have to move on from the left to right one. In question number 18 you can see C option is correct. What it want to say is concept of P2P means P2P network. It mechanism in network to slow down when slow down other mechanism also, because all networks are interconnected and they all plays a same role as they are not in client server network. They all have equal power. In question number 19 we have to trace the flow. In question number flow means very first options are many, but we have to trace the concept because it all by default it start from number 1, then it will go on main context. That means it will directly follow to number 5. After that it will go to number 6, number 7. So here the flow will be, answer will be B, because definition will refer to whom? To the main program. So here answer number B will be correct because 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 8 like these options will be going on. Fine. Okay, let's come on the last question, that is question number 20. We have to trace the following execution here also. And then obviously it will start from 1, then it will followed by here main function, that means y is equal to 3, then we will be printing, then we will be going for increment, then print, fine, xy, then finally whatever execution will be done, then it will be followed with the function. So here we will be watching what are the output given over there. Then here many you can watch out, many it looks like the same, but when we will be watching on deep you will find answer number B will be your correct one when you will check the execution over there. Do remember that the execution begins with the function and then it will be referred with main, and whenever main control will pass wherever it will go, it will be going there, and by checking the each and step execution it will come down over there. These all are the answer for today.
Here you can watch out that answer number 2 will be the correct answer. Hope these all answers are clear to you all, and these answers are being based of chapter number 3 chapters are being picked, 4 chapters are being picked, still many more chapters have to be revised for a board examination. Fine. For getting this type of quiz, do subscribe the channel and press the notification button, and don't forget to like and share to your friends. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye and Jai Hind.